Hi everybody and welcome. Today we want to talk about used car tires because out of this tires we will make products like pants, for example, and how that works, that will tell me René from VAUDE. Hi René.
Hello.
Good to have you here. Yeah, first of all, how can I imagine that? How does it work? How do we get pants, for example, out of a used car tire?
It's a quite complex process, so I will guide you through all the main steps in this. So first of all, the old car tires, they have been collected, then they have been shredded. So I get out then also the steel. The steel goes into the steelworks back then there, which is close by near the factory. And the textile waste, it's been also taken out, so it remains then like a rubber granulate. So this rubber granulate it's been set into a pyrolysis plant where it's been heated up on a very high temperature and the absence of oxygen. So I'm breaking down it to the molecular level. So, and out of this, I'm getting three different components out. So first is a gas, then I'm getting the carbon black out, and then the pyrolysis oil, which is for us important. The gas has been used for the whole factory in the end, meaning for the process. So I just need energy just to start the process, but then it generates this by themselves over a cogeneration plant. And the carbon black goes back in the tire industry, so for the black color in the tires. And the pyrolysis oil, which is the major fraction, this goes then to BASF and the chemical production plant, where it's been used as a substitute for the raw crude oil. So, and about from one tire I can make approximately 5 pants.
Okay, crazy. Pretty cool. And what are the benefits of this? For example, how does it improve the CO2 footprint?
Yeah, the good thing is for tires we don't have any real end-of-life option. So usually it's been landfilled or it's been just incinerated. So in this case we can valorize those car tires into variable products also. And yeah, we can have over 50% of CO2 emissions reduced due to this process compared to conventional polyamide.
Okay, cool thing. And how's the situation? How climate friendly is the process itself?
Yeah, so as I mentioned before, so the whole factory just needs the energy to start, so external energy to start, but then all the demanded energy has been generated within the process it's creating it. So that's why it's in this case super very climate friendly, so we don't need much external energy, we have almost no emissions, but then afterwards it goes into the conventional steps of the plastic production, of the nylon production.
Okay, and I think this was already the answer, because the question was what raw materials does that save?
Yeah, so it saves in the end the fossil crude oil.
Okay, okay, cool. And last question, do products which consist out of recycled tires, do have any advantages?
We don't have any advantage, but in this case we don't have any disadvantage, and that's the most important thing, because we have the same durability, the same the stiffness, everything is very similar or completely similar to the conventional polyamide, just that it's not been made from the crude oil.
Okay, really cool thing. So René, thank you very much for the information about the new process out of recycled car tires, and thank you guys for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.